Hello everyone. Welcome to the Stock Minds web channel. Robinhood Markets, NASDAQ Hood, has emerged as a formidable player in the financial services sector, delivering impressive growth and solidifying its position as a compelling investment opportunity. The company's Q1 2025 earnings report underscores its robust financial performance, marked by significant increases in revenue and earnings per share. In this video, we will dive into Robinhood Markets' recent earnings, stock performance, growth potential, and the risks investors should consider. About Robinhood Markets. Founded in 2013 by Vladimir Tenev and Baiju Bhatt, Robinhood Markets revolutionized the brokerage industry by introducing commission-free trading, making financial markets more accessible to the average investor. The company's user-friendly mobile platform has attracted a diverse demographic, particularly younger investors seeking straightforward investment solutions. Over the years, Robinhood has expanded its offerings to include cryptocurrencies, options trading, and cash management services, positioning itself as a comprehensive financial platform for modern investors. Robinhood Markets' financial performance. In Q1 2025, Robinhood reported a revenue of $927 million, marking a 50% increase from $618 million in Q1 2024. This substantial growth reflects the company's successful strategies in expanding its product offerings and user engagement. Earnings per share (EPS) for the quarter stood at 37 cents, a remarkable 106.29% increase from 18 cents in the same period the previous year. On a trailing 12 months TTM basis, the company achieved a revenue of $3.26 billion, up 59.65% from $2.04 billion in Q1 2024. EPS TTM surged to $1.75, a significant rise from 14 cents, indicating strong profitability. Free cash flow per share TTM also improved markedly to $1.20, compared to a negative 31 cents in the prior year, highlighting enhanced operational efficiency. Robinhood profitability is strong, with its operating margin reached 41.42%, and its net profit margin stood at 36.25%, reflecting effective cost management and revenue generation. The company also reported a return on assets (ROA) of 4.32% and a return on equity (ROE) of 21.43%, high ROE indicating the efficiency for using shareholder capital. Over the past 5 years, Robinhood's financial performance has fluctuated, with a downturn in 2022, but it began to grow again and became profitable in 2024. Robinhood Markets 2025 financial forecast. Analysts forecast a revenue of $3.64 billion for 2025, representing a 23.2% increase from the 2024 revenue of $2.95 billion. However, EPS is expected to decrease by 17.5% to $1.29 from $1.56 in 2024 due to deferred tax benefits in Q4 2024. Despite this, the average analyst price target for Hood is $62.21 with buy rating, suggesting a potential upside of 3.44% from the current price. Hood's stock price performance and valuation. At the time of making this video, Robinhood's stock is trading at $46.62 per share. Robinhood's stock has shown outstanding performance over the past year, surging 180% and significantly outperforming the S&P 500's 11.6% gain during the same period. Since its IPO in July 2021, the stock has risen by 32.6%. edging past the S&P 500's 27.3% increase. At its current share price of $46.62, Robinhood trades at a trailing 12-month TTM price to sales (PS ratio) of 12.63 and a forward PS ratio of 11.32. Its TTM price to earnings PE ratio stands at 26.69 with a forward PE of 36.07, while the price to free cash flow PFCF TTM ratio is 37.57. If we compare Robinhood valuation with the sector median, there is a stark contrast. According to Seeking Alpha, Robinhood's forward PE is above the sector median of 10.78, and its forward PS is also above the sector median of 2.6. Although these figures indicate a premium valuation, this could be justified as Robinhood have good growth trajectory, strong financial results, and advantageous market positioning. Robinhood market's growth potential. Robinhood's growth prospects remain robust, driven by several factors. 1. User growth and engagement. The platform's user base continued expanding, with funded accounts up 8% year-over-year to 25.8 million and total investment accounts reaching 27 million. Monthly active users rose to 14.4 million, alongside double-digit increases in equity and options trading activity. Robinhood also saw record net deposits of $18 billion, pushing platform assets to $221 billion. These metrics show customers are not just joining but actively engaging and investing more capital. 2. New products and services. Robinhood is broadening its ecosystem with products like robo-advisory, Robinhood Strategies, which already manages over $100 million in assets for 40,000 users. It has also launched a credit card for Gold members, attracting over 100,000 users with a waitlist nearing 3 million. The upcoming launch of Robinhood Banking will introduce checking and savings accounts. These additions diversify revenue and deepen user relationships. 3. Crypto-related expansion. Crypto trading revenue doubled year-over-year, and Robinhood is acquiring Bitstamp to expand its global crypto presence. The Bitstamp deal adds international users and trading infrastructure, strengthening its crypto ecosystem. While management is diversifying beyond crypto, it remains a high-margin growth area. Robinhood's dual focus ensures future growth with reduced reliance on crypto volatility. 4. Enhanced monetization and revenue diversity. Robinhood Gold now has 3.2 million subscribers, contributing to a 54% rise in subscription revenue. Advanced tools for options and crypto trading drive higher engagement and fees. Net interest income continues growing on larger customer balances and lending activity. Management is actively reducing dependence on crypto by growing other asset classes and recurring revenue sources. 5. Geographic and demographic expansion. International growth is underway, with over 150,000 users in the UK and EU as of Q1 2025. The Bitstamp acquisition will further Robinhood's global crypto reach. Domestically, products like IRAs and banking tools appeal to older and higher-income demographics. This broadens Robinhood's market and creates cross-sell opportunities across user segments. Risks to consider. While Robinhood presents a compelling investment case, potential risks include: 1. Regulatory and legal challenges. Robinhood faces ongoing regulatory scrutiny, particularly concerning its cryptocurrency operations. In March 2025, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA) imposed a $26 million penalty for violations, including inadequate anti-money laundering programs. Additionally, the company received a Wells notice from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in May 2024 regarding potential securities law violations related to crypto tokens. 2. Dependence on transaction-based revenue. A significant portion of Robinhood's revenue comes from transaction-based activities, such as payment for order flow (PFOF). This reliance makes the company vulnerable to fluctuations in trading volumes and potential regulatory changes that could impact PFOF practices. 3. Interest rate sensitivity. Robinhood's net interest income is sensitive to changes in interest rates. The company warned that a potential 25 basis point interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve could negatively impact its net interest income by approximately $50 million. 4. Intensifying competition. The entry of established financial institutions into the cryptocurrency trading space increases competition. For instance, Morgan Stanley's plans to offer cryptocurrency trading through its E-Trade platform could attract users away from Robinhood. 5. Economic and market volatility. Economic uncertainties, such as the implementation of tariffs, have led to market volatility, affecting fintech companies like Robinhood. In April 2025, Robinhood's shares dropped significantly due to concerns over an economic slowdown and the effects of tariffs. Despite these risks, Robinhood's strong financial position, innovative approach, and strategic initiatives position it well for continued success. Conclusion: Robinhood Markets has demonstrated impressive growth and financial performance in Q1 2025, reinforcing its status as a leading player in the financial services industry. With a solid foundation, innovative offerings, and a commitment to expanding access to financial markets, Robinhood presents a compelling investment opportunity. While mindful of potential risks, investors may find Robinhood's growth trajectory and market positioning attractive for long-term investment. However, I personally think Robinhood is still a bit overvalued and rated as a cautious buy. But remember, this is not financial advice. What do you think about Robinhood Markets? Are you buying, holding, or passing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next stock analysis. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.